We up in the Philippines, any questions all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines.
Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm cooking chicken bacon ranch. It's an appetizer. Our ingredients are milk, cream cheese, ranch seasoning, bacon crumbles, green onions, shredded cheese, rotisserie chicken, and I have butter and garlic mixture and croissants. Let's go cooking, guys. First thing we have to do is put this in a bowl, the cream cheese, the seasoning, that's ranch seasoning, and the milk. And then we have to microwave this one for 1 minute. Okay, let me microwave it. Okay guys, now this is after I microwave for 1 minute. This is how it looks. This is the mixture of milk, ranch seasoning, and then the second step, put all the chicken, the cheese, green onions, the bacon crumbles, and then add this sauce, which is the mixture of milk, ranch seasoning, and the cream cheese. Now we have to mix all the ingredients together like this. Okay, that's good. Then the next step, gonna make like this. Put the fillings like this. Go guys, look good already. Now we're gonna brush them with butter and garlic powder. And then we're gonna bake this for 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Alright guys, now I'm going to put in the oven now. The oven is already preheated for 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we will bake it for 25 minutes. See you later for 25 minutes. Hey guys, 3 minutes left on my timer. That's how it looks right now. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Let's go try it out. Here we go guys. Try it. It's good. Alright guys, hope you like it. It's really good. You can try it. Till next time.
Just act sass in the Philippines.